Welcome to the site of the 50,000 layer chicken project in Peru. This project is jointly developed by EJOY and distributor EJOY. Let's take a tour together. This is the evaporative cooling pad. Cooling pads help cool down the chicken bar much better. Let's enter the poultry house. This is our tunnel door. This is our ventilation fan. One complete full air renewal inside the house every minute. This is our drinking light. The WCA controller collects real-time water level data via sensors. The WS10 unit manages automatic flushing of drinking lights. This is our egg collection system. Welcome to visit Peru project.